you where that thing is that you Rihanna. Don't give me the long talk when you put it on me. But you put it on.
And when you first buy the hair, it usually has a little rubber band attached to it, but I had taken that off because I had used this hair before. And I'm just putting out a little ruffle to hold the hair together. Also, this is not the full pack of hair, this is just a portion of it. And right here, I'm just twisting my hair and the fake hair together in a knot to, yeah, you can see what I'm doing right there. And right here, you could always use a little ruffle, a rubber band or a hairpin to hold the hair in place. I didn't need to because I wasn't keeping it in for a very long time. Alright, so I have sectioned the hair into two pieces, one to start the braid and the other one I took and stranded into tiny pieces, as you can see there, to give me the added length to the hair. It's a little hard to explain, but in a minute you're going to see what I mean. I was struggling just a little bit, because I couldn't see what was going on. So bear with me, guys. I was trying to start a braid here. So the small pieces that I had strand out in the beginning, I'm going to start adding them in here. If you didn't understand what I meant before, there you go. That's what I'm doing. Adding the pieces in. The more pieces I added in, the longer the hair would get. So if you don't want the hair as your braid as long as mine was, you don't have to add that many pieces. This shit is long. Oh my god. And this is the finished look. What I should have done was took out a portion of the hair at the beginning to like wrap and camouflage where I have the ruffle right there, but it's okay because I'm not going anywhere. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. These are two cute little styles for if you're quarantining with your boo, or if you're quarantining by yourself. It's okay. You don't need a man to get cute, but yeah, I'm sorry, but I'm needed somewhere else. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, you might as well go ahead and subscribe, like, leave me a comment. Tell me what you guys would like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.